familia, estamos here again, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, bienvenidos. I love sharing all the fun and excitement of my family adventures, theme parks, and everything in between. Today I'm taking you with me to one of my favorite spots in Orlando, Aquatica. It's a perfect place for a day full of family fun, amazing water rides, and tropical vibes. And trust me, even the rainy, cloudy day couldn't stop us from having an unforgettable time. Stick around because I'll be sharing all the must-know details about this incredible water park.
We are in the fall season, but hey, we're gonna come by and try to get wet out here, right, Luna? Say hi, Luna. We're already getting wet. We're already getting rained on here. It is a wet day today, Luna. Very wet. Let's go see what's up with Mom over there.
So this fall, my wife Erica and daughter Valerie, my granddaughter Luna, and I decided to spend the day at Aquatica.
Wait, we gotta get our tickets.
If you haven't been, Aquatica is one of the best water parks in Orlando. And that's saying a lot considering we live in the theme park capital of the world. Now don't let a rainy, cloudy day fool you. The park will still open, and the fun didn't stop. One of the first things we love about Aquatica is how family friendly it is. They got areas for the little ones, thrilling rides for adventure seekers, and plenty of spots just to kick back and relax. First up, we hit the lazy river.
Nice, Luna!
First though, Luna had her little life vest on and she was ready to roll. If you got little ones, this is such a fun way to introduce them to the water rides while keeping them safe. But not your typical lazy river. This one has a fast-moving current. Let me tell you, it's a blast.
Love the world that keeps the sky on your mind.
Orlando vibes.
Cheers.
Valerie and I could not resist
I'm going to the front. What color?
trying two of our Aquatica's coolest rides. One of them,
Now away. Felt like Moana. We can go. Ready?
it's a free fall slide guaranteed to get your adrenaline pumping.
I got a big wedgie, that's all I know. How was it, Dad?
It was awesome. It was fast though. It's like really fast, but it took forever to climb.
And then there is
Makaraka. Shower before you enter, Dad. Make sure you bathe.
All right, I did shower. If it's been raining on us all day, so. All right, Val, we got our tube. Oh. We weren't too fat to ride together. Well, at least I was. That's what she said. I was too fat. All right, let me know when you're ready, Val. Hold on, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready. I don't want you to cheat. All right, here we go. Ready? Oh, don't cheat. Oh, you cheated. Oh no, here we go. Woo!
a multi-person raft with twists and turns and splashes. Both rides are a must. Try if you love a good thrill.
Crazy! Wow! Wow! Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby! Here we go! Aquatica! Woo! Yeah! Oh, here we go! Here we go! No! Oh, man! Oh, craziness! Oh, Jesus! Oh, wow! Wow! Woo! Did you beat me? No, you didn't. I can't get out. That was crazy. It was bouncing me around everywhere.
I got stuck.
It was everywhere.
I got stuck.
I got stuck too.
I still beat you.
Oh my
You
God.
got stuck too?
My undies.
I know.
Man.
I literally got stuck. I had to push myself.
Are we gonna make it?
I don't know.
Got the green light over there.
Oh, true. Oh,
We made it this time.
Woo!
tackled the big rides, Luna stayed with Grandma at the Kids Splash Zone. This area is perfect for the little ones, with gentle slides, water fountains, and tons of space to play. It's a win-win for the families looking for a balance of excitement and relaxation.
Let's go get on this slide. Me and you are gonna go get on this slide. You ready, buddy? You ready? All right, here we go. Yeah, Luna! Woohoo!
And finally, Luna and I went on a few slides together.
Yay!
Seeing her excitement made the entire day worth it. It's moments like these that make Aquatica such a special place for our family.
Wow, Luna!
To sum it up, Aquatica has hands down one of the best water parks in Orlando. Whether you're visiting, on vacation, or just looking for a fun local spot, it's got something for everyone. It's a water park that never disappoints. If you're planning a trip to Orlando, make sure Aquatica is on your list. And hey, if you've been here before, let me know in the comments. I love to hear all about your experiences. Thanks for watching, familia. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and smash that bell so you never miss out on our next adventures. As always, laters y hasta luego.